Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what's really going on up there in the vast expanse of space? Space, an infinite frontier, filled with mysteries that pique our curiosity and challenge our understanding. Among the cosmic bodies and celestial wonders, there's a man-made marvel orbiting our planet, the International Space Station. This floating laboratory is not just a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation, but also our gateway to the cosmos. It's a beacon of exploration, where astronauts from around the globe unite to unravel the enigmas of the universe. From studying the effects of zero gravity on the human body to observing celestial phenomena, the ISS is our foothold in the cosmos, a vessel of discovery that's pushing the boundaries of our knowledge every single day. It truly is an icon of international collaboration and a symbol of our species' insatiable curiosity. Today, we unravel the mysteries behind the International Space Station. The International Space Station didn't just appear in space, it took years of planning, engineering, and collaboration between nations. The idea of the International Space Station, or ISS, was conceived in the 80s. But it wasn't until the 90s that the project truly took flight. The ISS is a testament to the power of international cooperation, with 5 space agencies: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, JAXA from Japan, ESA from Europe, and CSA from Canada, coming together to make this dream a reality. The first piece of the ISS, the Russian module named Zarya, was launched into space in November of 1998. It was followed by the American module, Unity, in December of the same year. These 2 modules marked the beginning of one of the most ambitious engineering projects in human history. Over the next 2 years, a series of complex missions saw the addition of more modules, solar panels, and other necessary equipment. The ISS was constructed piece by piece in orbit, with each module launched separately and then assembled in space, a feat that had never been attempted before on such a scale. The first crew to reside on the ISS, Expedition 1, arrived in November of 2000. This marked a major milestone in the project, as the ISS was now not just a collection of modules in space, but a home for humans. Since then, the ISS has been continuously occupied, with astronauts and cosmonauts living and working in this extraordinary environment. Over the years, the ISS has expanded and evolved, with new modules and equipment added, old ones retired or replaced, and a constant stream of scientific experiments being carried out. It's a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together, overcoming political differences and geographical boundaries to reach for the stars. After years of hard work and international cooperation, the ISS was born, ready to house astronauts and experiments. The International Space Station, a marvel of modern technology, is more than just a satellite. It's a fully equipped home and laboratory in space. Now let's delve into the anatomy of this floating fortress of discovery. The ISS is a modular space station, which means it's composed of several interconnected sections. These sections are known as modules, and each serves a distinct purpose. First up, we have the living quarters. The Zvezda and Unity modules provide the crew with a place to sleep, eat, and exercise. They're also equipped with facilities for personal hygiene like a space toilet and a gym, a necessity when you're living in a zero-gravity environment. Then we have the laboratory modules. The Destiny, Columbus, and Kaibo modules are where the magic of space research happens. These labs allow astronauts to conduct experiments in life sciences, physics, and meteorology, among other fields that wouldn't be possible on Earth. Next, let's talk about the solar panels. These are the ISS's primary power source, converting sunlight into electricity. They give the station its iconic look, stretching out like wings from the central structure. The ISS also has several docking ports. These gateways to the station allow spacecraft from Earth to dock and deliver supplies, equipment, and new crew members. They also serve as the exit points for spacewalks and the launching pad for satellites or experiments. Finally, we have the Canadarm2 and Dextre, the station's robotic arms. These mechanical marvels assist with station maintenance, moving equipment around, and catching incoming supply ships. Each element of the ISS is carefully designed and meticulously maintained to ensure the station's smooth operation. From the living quarters that sustain the crew to the labs that push the boundaries of scientific knowledge, every part has a crucial role to play. The International Space Station is not just a feat of engineering. It's a testament to international cooperation and the unquenchable human thirst for exploration and discovery. Each part of the ISS has a specific role, working together to support life and research in space. Ever wondered what it's like to live and work in space? Let's delve into the daily life of an astronaut aboard the ISS. Living in space is unlike anything here on Earth. It's a world without gravity, where walls become floors and ceilings become walls. Personal quarters are compact, but they provide a space for astronauts to sleep, work, and have some personal time. Sleep is facilitated by strapping sleeping bags to the wall to prevent floating around. Mealtime is a unique experience too. Food is mostly freeze-dried or dehydrated, and astronauts add water to their meals before eating. They use tortillas instead of bread to avoid crumbs which could float around and damage equipment. And yes, they even have their specially packaged space ice cream for dessert. Staying in shape is crucial in zero gravity, as muscles can weaken without use. Astronauts are required to exercise for about 2 hours every day, using specially designed equipment that works against their body weight to provide resistance. Now, let's talk about work. Astronauts conduct a variety of experiments that simply can't be done on Earth. They study everything from the effects of microgravity on the human body to the behavior of fluids and gases. This research has led to breakthroughs in science and technology that benefit us here on Earth. Besides, they also perform maintenance and repairs on the ISS, ensuring that the station remains functional and safe. Communication with Earth is vital. Through a combination of email, voice calls, and even video calls, astronauts stay in touch with their loved ones and with mission control, who guide and assist them in their daily tasks. Life in space is not just about floating around and enjoying the view. It's about rigorous routine, discipline, and a pursuit of knowledge that transcends earthly boundaries. Life on the ISS isn't easy, but it's crucial for advancing our knowledge of space. The International Space Station isn't just a giant spacecraft. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. Consider this. The ISS is a marvel of scientific research. It's a laboratory like no other, orbiting about 250 miles above Earth. Within its walls, astronauts and scientists from around the world conduct experiments impossible to replicate on our home planet. From studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to growing plants in space, the research carried out on the ISS pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. But the ISS isn't just about science. It's also a beacon of international cooperation. Constructed and maintained by a consortium of space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, the ISS is a testament to what humanity can accomplish when we put aside our differences and work together. It's a shining example of peaceful collaboration, showing us that in the grand expanse of the universe, our shared pursuit of knowledge can unite us. In addition to being a hub of research and cooperation, the ISS plays a pivotal role in future space exploration missions. It serves as a stepping stone, a crucial training ground for astronauts preparing for long-duration missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. By living and working on the ISS, they learn how to cope with the challenges of life in space, from maintaining their physical health to troubleshooting complex systems. The ISS is more than just a spacecraft. It's a launchpad into the future, a gateway to the cosmos. It's our home in the void, where we learn, grow, and prepare for the next giant leap in our journey among the stars. The ISS continues to inspire us, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that space holds. The International Space Station, a marvel in the sky, is much more than meets the eye. This extraordinary structure, born out of international collaboration, is a testament to human ingenuity. Its complex anatomy, featuring numerous modules and parts, allows it to support life and research in the harsh environment of space. Living and working aboard the ISS is no small feat. Astronauts must adapt to zero gravity, confined spaces, and isolation, all while conducting critical scientific research. This research, made possible by the unique environment of the ISS, has far-reaching implications for life on Earth and our understanding of the universe. The importance of the ISS cannot be understated. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, the ISS stands as a symbol of our potential. As we continue to explore the final frontier, The International Space Station serves as a beacon, guiding us into the mysteries of the cosmos.